Well, it's another fine statue from Beast Kingdom, Guardians of the Galaxy, Volume 2, Groot, life-size statue, LS-081. Groot is a beloved character from the hit Marvel movie, Guardians of the Galaxy. And here, you can own a piece of the history. This is a great replica of Groot. This is a light up series, and it is USB chargeable. It comes complete with a micro USB cable. The power source is not included, so you would need to have a charger or an adapter of some sort to charge it. He stands approximately 21 centimeters wide by 20.5 centimeters deep by 32.5 centimeters high. Another great rendition. This is the first light up Beast Kingdom that I've owned. I always loved Marvel. Guardians of the Galaxy is always one of my favorite. So ladies and gentlemen, Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 Groot life-size statue LS-081.